see the waves. This is the endless surf in the rain. Six minutes on, 9 minutes off, 15-minute intervals. Invisible lifeguard. Invisible vest. 6 feet deep here. So that is that. The waves are going to shut down and we're going to evacuate. There's lightning in the area. Red, orange, green, purple, black, black. What is it, red though? Yeah, for now. Yep. So there's different codes. Blue means there's nothing, it's blue skies. Green, there's a little waves rolling in, and then it goes yellow where there's thunderstorms within so many miles, and then orange a little closer, then red, get out of the pool because it's pretty close, then purple, it's right on you, and black, there's like a hurricane or tornado and everybody takes shelter. Well, that was it. That was the wave pool here at Adventure Island in Tampa. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Check out all my walking distance videos on how to get in there and in and out, everything.